Welcome to Niagara Falls Blinds, your one-stop shop for high-quality window treatments in the stunning Niagara region. Are you looking for a unique and modern touch? Our zebra shades combine the best of both worlds, blinds and roller shades. Enjoy natural light and privacy with alternating panels of sheer and solid fabric. Or choose our classic roller shades, a timeless favorite for decades. Simple, functional, and available in countless colors and patterns to match any decor. We pride ourselves on using high-quality materials that are built to last, ensuring your satisfaction for years to come. Every customer is unique, and we offer endless customization options for both zebra shades and roller shades. Tailor everything, from color and fabric to size and installation, all with speedy delivery right to your door. Upgrade your home's look, enhance your office's privacy, or block out sunlight for a better night's sleep. Our window treatments are the perfect solution for you. What are you waiting for? Contact Niagara Falls Blinds today and schedule a consultation to explore the limitless possibilities of window treatments.